So many times I wonder why. Like, why did you choose me? Why would you care about my life? And now I know that you love me. And I'm sure that I know that you called me. Out of the many others you saw me, you called me, you chose me. Righting my wrongs, you do it. Yeah, you didn't have to do it all. You didn't have to do it all. And just like a new creation, see, I'm gonna tell the nations, I'm so glad that you called my name. I'm so glad that you love me, love me. Every day you're there when I need your Holy Spirit breathing in me. I know the plans you have for me, so whether it's heads or tails, I'm still winning. You took your blood and covered my shame, and I will never be the same. So I'ma shine bright so the world can see that I'm chosen. I'm chosen. Lord, you got me singing like. Wonderful Savior, I love thee. I know that you are here. I know that these things, they come and they go. One thing's for sure, that your word for me won't go cold. So I'll stay here with you in my heart, I won't fade, no. I'll keep going strong with my head up, 'cause I know these things will all fade away. I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together. All things work together. mountain too high, they will not comply. No valley too low, they will not respond to me. Out of my belly flows rivers of water life-giving, and it is all because the Holy Spirit lives within. See, I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and work through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together, all things work together, yeah. You're mine, mine forever. You're mine, mine forever, yeah. I know you're here, I know you're here, I know you're here. I know you're here, I know you're here, I know you're here. I know you're here, I know you're here, I know you're here. I know you're here, I know you're here, I know you're with me. I love you, I love to love you. Jesus, I love you, I love to love you. Jesus, I love you, I love to love you. Jesus, I love you. Like the morning sun, you brighten up my life, keep me going strong, keep me going strong. And I will not fear, 'cause I know that you're always here with me. Oh my Father, come rain, come shine, I shine. Through storms, mountains, I fly. I reign, I rule, I king, 'cause you live inside me, yeah. I'll keep on winning all the time, yeah. Because your spirit lives inside me. I'll keep on winning all the time, oh. Because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine, yeah. Victory is mine. You know all the time. I just like, hey. You know all the time. Nothing like your presence. The way you fill this room, intoxicating, intoxicating, yeah. There's nowhere else I'd rather be than right here with you, in your presence. Nothing else would do. You reign, you rule, you shine, my king, always for all time, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My Lord, my king, my God, to you all the praise be, yeah, yeah. I'll keep on winning all the time, yeah. Because your spirit lives inside me. I'll keep on winning all the time, because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine. I got victory, victory. I got victory, victory. I got victory, victory. I got victory. Hey. I'll keep on winning all the time, yeah. Because your spirit lives inside me. I'll keep on winning all the time, oh. Because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine. Victory is mine. You know all the time. I just like, hey. You know all the time. I know. grace that we call faith. How do we win all day? I do it by His grace. He touched me, touched me, touched me with His grace and mercy. Now I'm winning all day. He touched me with His grace and His mercy. Now I'm winning, all for His glory. I run my race, see I run by faith, know by His grace, winning every day. Run my race, see I run by faith, know by His grace, winning every day. Run by faith.
Oh, running, every day you see me running. For His fame I'm winning, in His glory I am living. With the Spirit as my guide, the sun will understand my shine, so I can shout for joy and praise, cause I've already won the race. With the Spirit as my guide, the sun will understand my shine, so I can shout for joy and praise, cause I've already won the race, so I run.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him, the push would still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped fool. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany.
And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me.
I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains.
What's up, chat? What's up, gang? How you guys doing? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. What's up? Shout out to 8 viewers right now. Can I see some energies in the chat? Come on. Drop the energies in the chat. Let's go.
Check. Hey, whoa, yeah. I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today.
All right, gang. All right. Good morning. What's up, JC? What's up, Jug Notes? What's up, Hans? How you doing? What's up, Aryan? Oh, yeah, cool. Good morning, Riz. How you doing? All right. You guys ready for the day? Let's do the top-down analysis here. Let's start with a daily time frame, or let's start weekly. Tomorrow I'm gonna start in the weekly. Daily time frame here. So the daily, as you can see, right now I'd say we got some consolidations here on price, right? And we got 1, 2, 3 candles are printing side by side. And would you look at this? How the candles are reacting here. We have re-break of the current candle high. You know, we got all-time highs, and we got a re-broke of the previous candle low here. So the price is just doing like this. You re-broke that, you have a new low here, you re-broke that, then you push down. So it's just a consolidation here on price that we need to be aware of. Right? Because this kind of wicks and wicks here is just a liquidity grabs for the candles to move down or for the candles to move up. All right, so right now we are consolidating here on price. We got resistance form, right? Following a new support form right now, and we have a resistance form once this candle close. So it's not look good on in terms of price actions. The way the candles looks like, right? Because the way I trade is all about the candles. So right now I'd say um if the candles are printing side by side, you cannot do anything on price. All right, because you're gonna see red candles, blue candles, red candles again, and blue candles, right? Alternate. So dropping down to the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see, the 4 hour time frame, we build a resistance before a previous resistance here, and we broke above, and this candles broke above, didn't push through, didn't push heavy, right? And we create a new resistance form. So this is the resistance form, and then we got some support form right here, and the overall range is this on the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see, the 4 hour time frame, we got almost 600 pip range towards to the upside and towards to the downside. But right now, if the price still in this range, probably this is gonna be a red zone, a red zone that you're not gonna trade with. But we're not gonna trade 4 hour time frame. So let's drop down to the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame, as you can see, it looks the same. How the candles looks like, we printing lows and the highs and the lows and the highs and the lows and the highs and the lows. So as you can see how these candles are reacting on resistance level or reacting on the support level, right? So technically the price is just consolidating. All right, hourly are trying to push to move down. 30 minutes time frame, it looks the same. 15, yeah. So 15, we have a massive range on the 15. Let's see here. Resistance form, man. For buys, I'm not gonna take buys here because as you can see on the left hand side, you got a lot of resistance here that you need to be aware of on buying. I know that we are in the all-time highs, but you need to be aware of on the candle reacting on those levels, right? So let's see. Um, so there's no closure yet on price. So 4 minutes for the candle to close. We got range here. We have a clean range towards to the downside here. So this is gonna be a clean range as you can see. Let's see, we're gonna close below. Let's see. All right. For buys, yeah, for buys, I think we need to see this kind of retracement and then a clean traffic, support form, and then probably retest once again. But right now, no buys yet for me. Even though we close above, there's no buys yet because of resistance on the left hand side. It's not look good for buys. Let's see. All right, chat. Let's see. We're gonna close below in 3 minutes and 30 seconds here. Let's see. Let's see. 3 minutes. Do. This is gonna be a new 30 minutes candle. Oh, interesting. Interesting. 1 hour candle too. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. $50 here. All right, we have a candle closure. Candle closure. Oh damn, we're rebroking the previous candle high. Mm-hmm. No good. No good. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Ooh, damn. What are reactions here on the 15? Ooh, that was nice. Damn. But you rebroke the previous candle high there. Rebroke it. okay. Mm, 9 minutes. Damn. Didn't expect this because we rebroke the previous candle high on the 15. I didn't expect that steeper top wick. I'm expecting this kind of candles. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Rejections. Rejections. What's up, gang? How you doing? Flex Anthony, how you doing? Chat, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Do we have news today? Oh, we got unemployment claims. Yeah. Unemployment claims. Tomorrow, no news. Monday, oh, it's a bank holiday on USD. Mm-hmm. Do-do-do-do. Waiting time. Oh, BTC is 96K. Mm-hmm. Damn. Do-do-do, 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 do-do-do. Done trading today? Wow. Look at you. W. Got W's already? Damn. Wow, W risk. W. 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 All right, 15 minutes is about to close, man. That the closure, I don't like the closure. We might close probably doji bearish or doji bullish. Dang. With the re-break of the highs and the lows. Holy. Ooh, damn. We're closing back in the range. In 11 seconds here. Damn it. Close respecting. Respecting. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Shout out to 18 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Make sure drop a like, subs to the channel. If you are new to the channel, drop a like, subs to the channel. Mm, mm. It's a sell limit. So sell limit or what? If that's a limit, you're being activated there right now. Buy limit. Here? Below here? Damn, look at this 4-hour candles. The daily too. It's January chat. So this kind of candles volume, it's pretty normal on January. It's pretty normal in January. Let's see on probably next week. Third week of the month if we're gonna see some move. But yeah, first quarter is gonna be this volume. Monthly. Damn, look at this monthly candle. Holy. Ooh. No retracement yet. Yeah, weekly candle too. No retracement yet. No heavy retracement. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Shout out to 20 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Welcome to the YouTube live stream. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, subs to the channel, like the stream, share it. Share it, my friends. Yeah, to the moon, true that. To the moon, man, to the moon. Holy. We might see this year 6,000 gold. Gold 6K. Yep, here. 6K. 6K. All right, 8 minutes for candle to close. If this candle close bearish, yeah, we might have potential. Damn. 6 minutes. Can we close bearish below support? Give me a second, gang. 3 minutes. Oh, we might close below. One minute and 23 seconds here.
All right, close, respecting. Mhm.
Damn, the 30 close. Bullish. Okay, we rebroke the lows. 74 pip stop should be. No, no. If this candle close bearish below, yeah, I might consider this as a sell because close below here. We can use the stop once the candle flip this kind of 30 pip stops. Once this candle here. Support, sorry, resistance levels stops. Nine minutes. right, flipping bullish. Holy. So we got only this kind of candle. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Damn. The 15 are printing side by side. Looks ugly here. No buenos. Holy. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Let me know. Let me know. No Benos yet. No Beno. Alex K, how you doing? I'm doing good, bro. Doing good. Sitting here at the chart. No Benos yet. The candles are printing side by side, so no Buenos. No bueno. How do you decide session bias? Session bias is basically um let's 4 hour time frame. Yeah, 4 hour time frame is gonna be a good decision for session bias. You're gonna look for how the candles close. For example, the candles close doji bearish, right? So there is a high chance that this candle will continue to move up once you rebroke the previous candle high. All right. So once you rebroke this, so it's gonna be a different thing. It's gonna be a bullish bias, right? Because you're re-breaking the highs and the candles want to move up. So basically, it's gonna be a bullish bias. But if the candle is starting to flip, you know that you have a wick fill here on the left hand side. So there is a high chance that we're gonna go bearish, right? Like this. And you're gonna look for on the lower time frame. For me, I always look for a clean traffic towards to the upside and towards to the downside. So right now, as you can see, we got clean traffic to move down. We have almost 120 pip. I just need to wait for the candle to close below for me to take a potential to move down. It's gonna look like this probably, or candles are printing, like this. Yeah. It's all about simplicity, right? It's simplicity, very simple. Support and resistance. Look for a clean range traffic towards to the upside, towards to the downside. That's how I trade. And I always trade with the candles. Let's say this is the candle closure. And then the next candle is a tradable candle. And you're going to expect that this next candle will have a lot of volume for you to take the trade. Right? If there's no volume, it's okay. If because this is the right setup, it's a breakout setup that I need to take. If this setup didn't work, it's okay. I'm gonna take the else. That's part of trading. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You look at similar, yeah, that's cool. That's good. It's January, second week of the year. So yeah, man, be gentle, chat. Be patient. Be more disciplined. When in terms of price actions, when you see that candles are printing side by side, stay away on the chart. You don't need to take trades every single day. Right? You guys don't need to take trades every single day. You need to practice those patience and discipline, following your rules, following your plan every single day. 'Be patience. Patience is the key. Four minutes per candle to close. Do we can we close bearish below? Chat. So yeah, still the price still printing side by side here. Candles are printing. Cannot do anything here on price. So yeah, man. Early close bullish. You have a resistance here. But early, yeah, it's good. I mean, it's clean. But you need to look for 30 minutes time frame too. You know, you got resistance form here. Resistance form, resistance form, resistance form. All right, so today, chat, is gonna be a choppy day. So let's see if I'm gonna, trade later on tonight. We got unemployment claims today, so yeah, I probably gonna stay away for a while here. Gonna come back on NY session. Chat, I'm gonna call it a stream. Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. Peace and love, everybody. I'm out. W's all the way out, chat. W's all the way out. Thank you, gang.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me, giving up's way harder than